Melio is a user-friendly payment platform designed to help businesses manage and pay bills efficiently. Here's how to use Melio for your payment needs. Sign up or log in. Visit the Melio website or download the app. Create an account by providing your business information or log in if you already have an account. Connect your bank account. To start making payments, link your bank account by providing your bank details. This allows you to send and receive payments directly. Add vendors. Go to the vendors section and click Add Vendor. Enter the vendor's information, including their name, email, and payment details. This enables you to pay multiple vendors quickly. Create the payment. To make a payment, click on Pay Bills. Select the vendor you wish to pay, enter the amount, and choose the payment date. You can also add a note or attach documents if necessary. Choose payment method. Select how you want to pay, via bank transfer or credit card. Melio supports various payment methods to suit your preferences. Review and confirm. Review your payment details and click Confirm. You will receive a confirmation of your transaction and your vendor will be notified.